Do you want to know how you can sign up for Pictory AI? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Pictory AI. Go ahead and search for Pictory AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. Then click on Login and it will take you to this login portal. Go ahead and click sign up, which is over here. You can see that. If it doesn't work, go ahead and click login again and click on sign up and you can see this page will load up. Now you can click on what you want to use Pictory for. Go ahead and click start using Pictory and there you go. This is how you sign up for your Pictory AI account. If you want to log out and sign up again, let me show it to you. Go ahead and click log out and click sign up again, and you can either sign up using your Google account or your email address. So go ahead and click continue with Google and select your Google account. After you select your Google account, click continue to sign in to Pictory.ai, and in a while you can notice that you will be signed up for Pictory AI and you can use it for easy video creations. After click start using Pictory AI, congratulations, you have signed up for it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.